Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Like, why not? It's free. It's free. Like, it's free. But anyway, you guys, so let me tell you the little short story. I know you guys like, go ahead and just unbox the damn shoe. But let me tell y'all what happened first, because I want y'all to be aware of it too. Like, when y'all order from us, I'm not trying to shame UGG or nothing like that, because I love them. I still order from them. It's just because of this corona stuff. It may be because of that, but you guys, your sis has been waiting on her package for a long time. To make a long story short, you guys, I ordered these shoes May the 22nd. And I'm just now getting my other pair today. So yes, I got mine last week, so that still was a long time. So yeah, I'm just not getting my other pair today, and which was my daughter pair, because we was gonna wear it Saturday a couple days ago for my son's birthday party. It didn't work out, but we got our package today. So y'all will be seeing me unboxing my daughter's shoes. You guys know all the details and everything about the shoes, and the price and the links will be down below if you're interested in these shoes, the specific pair. But just keep in mind, your package may take a minute. If you plan on wearing them or want them at a certain time of day, but just keep in mind you need to order them way in advance, okay? So you guys, let's jump into the video so you guys will know all about these shoes. And yes, let's continue watching. That's how it comes. This is how they look, you guys. So cute. So you guys, these are the details on these shoes. My daughter, she is a women's size 7. I got her. Got a 9, and they originally a size 7 in men. And you guys, the name of this particular color is Pride Rainbow Purple, because y'all know it's like Pride. It's Pride going on right now. So you guys, they was only $100, and they mostly $100 anywhere. If you go, I think Journeys also have them as well, if I'm not mistaken. But I ordered them from the actual website. I will leave the link down below. Leave the link down below so you can go directly to if you are interested in these shoes. So you guys, I'm gonna show that as well. Like, I also had got like a UGG blanket. It's so soft. So yeah, the UGG blanket is super soft. I didn't want to take it a loose. Got a little UGG sign there, but oh well. I wanted to put this in my living room. I do want to see how big it is. So cute, and it's very soft. And you guys, I got this free because I spent a little bit over $200. I don't know if that promotion is still going on. But if this blanket is originally, like, I got a good ass deal, because all this would have been like, this blanket is originally like $65. I hope you guys can see it. It's originally $65. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't paying no $65 for no blanket. I didn't pay for it, y'all. It was free. It was a deal going on if you spend over $200. Oh shit. So y'all, my total came up to like $215, and y'all, it's pretty. I don't want to mess up. It's pretty a nice size for you and your boo to cuddle up if y'all gonna watch a movie. And it's so soft, y'all. Oh, I don't know, I should have got black. But yeah, and I said I was gonna put this on my living room couch, but I don't know. I might put it in my bed. But this is so cute. Just love this. So cute. Got a little up symbol. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like me doing unboxing on stuff, yeah, because this ain't just me showing off or anything like that. It's just, you know, it helps us out. They like some look cute. Like, yeah, I might go get me some of them because I know I love watching videos like this myself. So yeah, if you like videos like this, go ahead and thumbs up this video and be like, yeah, do more videos like this. Like, comment down below. Like, I be reading them comments though. Guys, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.